guys, how are you? Welcome to my kitchen again. Okay, today we're going to make carrot cookies. You heard right, carrot cookies, not carrot cake. Okay, we have 3/4 of a cup of carrots, 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of raisins, 1/2 cup of honey, 1/2 cup of pine nuts, 1 egg, and 1 stick of butter. Okay, now we're going to do 1 stick of butter. We're going to turn on the machine and we're going to cream it up. Get down to the bottom. Add 1 egg. And away we go. Always get down to the bottom. Of course, the heavier parts of the recipe will stick to the bottom, and then we'll have lumps. Now we're going to slowly add the honey. Down to the bottom again. Slow it down to speed number 1. Add in your flour mixture, your oat mixture, your carrots, your raisins, your pine nuts. Mix it up just a little and turn it off. We're done.
Hey, you messed up. He said, "Hey, you messed up." Hey, you did good.
Wait, Daddy, 2 more channels are coming on. I'm gonna watch.
Do you see the sink?
And out come the carrot cookies. Ooh.